Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of reverse engineering, specifically targeting the Bambu Connect app. It's a wild ride, folks.
Yeah, I've heard whispers about this. So what's the core issue here? Why are we reverse engineering Bambu Connect?
Essentially, Bambu Connect, an Electron app, relies heavily on security through obscurity. That's a big no-no in the security world, making it inherently insecure. This guide aims to empower users by providing a path to understand and potentially improve the app's security.
Interesting. So it's not about malicious intent, but about improving user control and understanding?
Precisely. The guide emphasizes that this is not an official endorsement, and it's crucial to proceed with caution. It's a follow-at-your-own-risk situation. They even provide a Discord link for appeals if something goes wrong.
Smart inclusion of a disclaimer. So walk me through the process. How does one actually reverse engineer this thing?
Okay, so the guide recommends starting with the macOS.dmg file, not the .exe. Apparently, it's easier to find the decryption code in the .dmg. Then, you extract the files, and this is where it gets tricky.
Tricky how?
The app uses a SARMer for protection. The key is hidden within ./app, .asr, .unpacked, /vite/build/main.node. Unpacking app.asr directly is a bad idea. It creates a massive amount of decoy files, 100 gigabytes. You need to use Ghidra to analyze main.node, find the get key function, and extract the hex key.
Whoa, 100 gigabytes of decoys? That's intense. So once you have the key, what's next?
You use a SARfix to repair the archive, then extract the main.js file. It's minified, so you'll need a JavaScript beautifier to make it readable. The private key is at the end of the beautified file.
And the private key is the ultimate prize? What can you even do with it?
Well, that's the question, isn't it? The guide doesn't explicitly state the implications. It's more about the process of gaining access and understanding the security vulnerabilities. It's about transparency and user empowerment, not necessarily exploiting a weakness.
I see. But the guide also mentions extracting certificates, right? That's a whole other layer of complexity.
Absolutely. The certificates and private key are further obfuscated. The guide provides a Python script to handle the RC4 decryption and other steps needed to get the clear text. It's quite involved, but the script is provided for convenience.
So it's a step-by-step guide for technically inclined users who want to understand the inner workings of Bambu Connect and potentially improve its security. It's a fascinating peek behind the curtain, but definitely not for the faint of heart.
Exactly. It's a testament to the power of open-source principles and community-driven efforts to improve software security. Remember, though, always proceed with caution and respect the legal implications. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.